the biggest. Oh, North Carolina!
Nothing but a beauty queen. She make it look so easy. No one else can compare. She know what she doing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Saweeeeetie. Do not mind my lashes. A bitch got strips on and they're pissing me off because they're not sitting how they need to. But today I got booked to go to Dreamville to do someone's hair. I'm not gonna tell you guys yet. I'll tell you guys when I get there. She is an African singer. Maybe that's a little hint. But I'm on my way. I'm getting ready to yeah, I'm getting ready to leave. I gotta go buy an extension cord from the store because I thought I had one at home, but I don't. But let me show you my little fitty fit. Can you see? So I got on a white shirt, my Rickies, my black shoes. I probably should do, let me sit it right here. I gotta hurry up though. Okay, so I got on this white crop angle shirt that I got from Amazon, black pants, and my Rick Owens. I think I look really, really cute. Really, really cute. Yeah, I'm on my way. Hopefully these lashes don't look crazy. Okay guys, so I made perfect time and I'm about 15 minutes early. And I'm getting ready to go meet up with Zizo. I'm headed to the artist's parking lot. I got a little lost, so just bear with me. It's actually not as crazy as I thought it would be right now. Okay, so we need to make a U-turn in 1 mile. All right, let me call y'all back. Not call y'all back. Let me talk to y'all back later because I don't want to get lost. I don't know where he wants me to go. Okay. Let me show you guys my pass. Yeah, it's always like that because I'm the same. People are always like, oh, when are we going to New York? I'm like, yeah. Yeah. I do love New York, but I think because I'm from there, it's like I done did everything. What are we going to do? Yeah, now I'm based here. I've been here for 4 years. Yeah. Are you her stylist? Yeah. Yeah. I was telling her I actually had DM'd Ayra when they first released the lineup. EZ had messaged me. I said, look at the universe. You said she needed one? Oh. Celebrity hairstylist in my bio. Why don't I do such and such? Same. For what? It's like if people know that you did it, that's enough. Like,
oh, you get that's why you can see on my page in my bio. I don't even like it just says my name.
Period. You get the picture. We don't need all that additional extra stuff. Like,
I feel like it's even better when like people don't really know.
We're going to Shine Stage.
Don't you sugarcoat. I say it all if you want. I say it all if you want. Now could you tell me like pretty little bit? Yeah, music to my, music to my.
I'm playing in front of your friend.
Get it, Ayra. Get it, Ayra. Get it.
Okay, say hi.
I pray these fakes get exposed. But I came to tear this bitch up. Love God. Body toucher. The biggest. Oh, North Carolina. 21. They won. Rich flex for me. I got dreams for you if I'm not working, girl. If I'm busy, Martin Luther King would have been a tree. Talk to him, nigga. One time for my LA sisters. One time. Don't save us. Don't save us.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Saweeeeetie, and I'm about to wrap up this vlog. It is the next day. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Dreamville. It was crazy. I'm just so grateful for the experience. Yeah, let me say this. I don't know how y'all be doing the lashes. First of all, right now I look a naked fucking mole rat. I need to get my life together, but my lash appointment's tomorrow. Yeah, extensions, strips. I don't want to be the one to say it, but it's trash. Like, y'all really gotta stop wearing those. Because yesterday I felt so fucking insecure with them shits on my eyes. This shit's ugly as fuck. I was mad I couldn't get a fucking lash appointment. But oh, if you guys do want to know how I do be getting booked for like celebrities, I could do a whole separate video on that, showing you guys like kind of like my method and what I do in this particular situation. I kind of actually manifested it. But yeah, if you guys want to know more about that, just let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. My voice is kind of gone, but I woke up this morning and I had some tea and I gargled with some salt, and I'm trying to bring them back together. It's the little, first of all, I use the hair glue to put my fucking lashes on, and my lash appointment is tomorrow, so I hope I get all this black shit off my eyes. And it's gooey and nasty. God, just please always make sure I have a lash appointment, because this is ridiculous. Just ugly. Anyway, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at I am Saweeeeetie. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I said, comment down below if you guys want to know anything in particular. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. The content was crazy. I did ended up leaving right after like Drake's like first little session, just because I was tired. My legs was hurting. I was there from like 10 o'clock. Yeah, and it was fucking cold, and I had on like a crop top dress shirt. I actually got that shirt from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below. And my pants were from Fashion Nova. Yeah, I was tired. I was cold. My back was hurting. My feet was hurting. My legs was hurting. I'm just an old ass fucking lady. So I was ready to go, but I could have stayed a little longer if I would have like sat down and relaxed and everything. But I was just a little over it. J. Cole did his big one. He really did outdo himself this year with Dreamville. He really did. Yeah, and I hope that next year and more years to come I can work you know, with the artists that do come. Like I said, I am grateful for the opportunity to do Ayra Starr's hair, and you know, to be a part of her glam squad for the weekend. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. This is in addition to the weekly videos that we're going to be doing. So this week you get 2, which is pretty cool because today's the 3rd. So the first week of April, you get 2 videos in 1 week. So I hope you guys do enjoy this. And I'll see you guys next time when I look like myself.